What is happening, guys? Ryan here, and today we're gonna have another drive and chat while we take my G80 M3 to the gym and we'll have a nice workout. But topic of hand today, the topic of hand is this guy. If you guys know what it is, well, I'm gonna tell you. It is a Uniden R4, and that guy is a radar detector. So let me tell you guys a funny story about why I ended up getting this device. And it's not like your typical story. Well, it pretty much is, but I got burnt pretty bad. And by getting burnt, meaning I got my first ever speeding ticket. And if you guys know how bad that is, it's a very humbling experience. And, you know, to be a person who is mature, you know, you think, oh man, I messed up. Let's not do this again. Let's not speed. Let's not be reckless. But guys, it's Feroz Moto you're watching. We know what the people want. But regardless, I had to go back to the drawing board and figure out what could I have done differently. Now, the spot I was caught at was a spot I passed hundreds of times. I've never seen a cop there. Obviously, whenever I'm doing these types of sprints, I'm on my private road, you know, or we're just slightly crossing the border in Mexico. But this time I got caught with my pants down, and it was not nice. Granted, we got out of it pretty unscathed, which is good, but you know, you're never always that lucky. Regardless, that's when I bought this guy, and I'm so bummed I didn't buy before, because in some cases, which I think this case, it would have done its job perfectly in protecting me in a way of telling me what was coming and what's to come ahead. So one of the biggest misconceptions I think people think with getting these things, and what I originally thought was, why doesn't everyone just run these? It's like a guaranteed, you know, you're gonna know where the cops are and everything. But that's not always the case, and I need to really press and make sure people know that this guy is a radar detector, not a cop finder. And if you use it in that methodology and tool, it can be very powerful. I think this guy is my little good luck charm. And granted, not all the time I'm being a complete jerk on the road, but when the times are and you're having fun and you kind of want that somewhat peace of mind, having this and Waze is quite a powerful duo. Now, since after having that experience before, I don't rarely, or if ever, when I'm on trips or anywhere where I don't have Waze open, because it is so helpful in knowing where people are reporting seeing sightings of, you know, people who want to give you a bad day. And it's just a very good sense of peace of mind knowing that you're not going in completely blind. And I don't know how I was so lucky in making it this far with not having one of these. And a lot of complaints I hear is it's so loud, it's so annoying, it's in the way. But the way I made it and I set it up with me hardwiring it into my power here, I think it's a very clean, sleek look, and so far it's been very, very active and proactive and responsive with its catches. Usually you get the K-band, which is what most radars are hitting, and so far it has been proving its weight and worth in gold for me. And it's surprising because sometimes it catches you, sometimes it, you know, it saves you from, you know, a little heads up and everything, and just having that in the back of your hand, it can really, you know, change you from having a horrible day to, you know, enjoying one and having a good time. And it's so fun when I'm going there and you know, I'm doing my thing and it catches one. It's just like a little mini game you're playing. You're like, sweet, I got him, and he's not getting me this time. So there are sales going on with these things. I luckily got mine when it was on sale, and I used a blend mount, which you see over here. I'll try to get a photo of it, but I think it's a very sleek and easy look. I know some people like to center it, but I think it's too much in the way, and then plucking it on the windshield and stuff I just don't think is as clean. But I'm very happy with the setup itself. I think it's a very, very powerful device for the money you have, and think of it as somewhat as a form of insurance. I ended up paying more for my ticket fighting that versus actually having one of these guys. And, you know, fingers crossed, as I'm going to make this video, I'm probably jinxing myself that I'm going to get caught with something, but I think it is super helpful and definitely worth the investment. If you guys do want a video of me, of how I installed it and what you need to know about it, I would definitely recommend it. But this guy is something I definitely recommend if you are a person like me who likes to drive spiritedly and really want to get the most out of your car in the street as you can, obviously where the laws abide. But it's just really nice to have, and I can't see myself not having one in the future for any one of my cars. So this was just a quick fun video. I will try my best to get more videos out for you guys, because I know the POVs are very popular for a lot, especially with me shifting my car and everything. The weather right now is kind of iffy. I mean, even today we had about good like 6-7 inches of snow. Thankfully, it looks like it all melted, which is great. I didn't take the car out this morning to work. I took the van, but the nice roads and everything are still shut down. I mean, we're still in winter mode, so can't really do much, and I'm still running my summer tires. So that being said, if I do have an opportunity that arises where I get to use my car in its fullest extent, I will make sure to record it to give you guys some stuff to watch. But I just want to say the growth of my channel so far has been fantastic. I'm blown away. Every day I look at my statistics, analytics, and it looks like you guys are really enjoying my stuff, and it just gives me more motivation and confidence to keep pushing stuff out there for you guys to enjoy. So that being said, if you liked this type of low-key chill talking and everything, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any ideas or videos that you'd like me to do, please don't be afraid to reach out, put in a comment. And if you guys are in the local North Jersey area and you ever want to meet up, I do want to do car reviews. It's hard to find time right now to get out there and meet with people, because I do have a bunch already on standby. But please add me on my Instagram at Feroz Moto, where you guys can send me a message or anything, meet up, and we can have a good time. So that being said, I'm going to enjoy this killer workout, and hopefully we'll have a good time. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.